For our ingredients, we will need, of course, chicken wings, ginger, garlic, peppercorns, and some dried bay leaves. For our sauce, of course, we will need soy sauce, rice wine, and brown sugar. First step guys, i-marinate pa natin yung ating chicken wings sa rice wine with white pepper and some salt. So, ito yung ginagawa ko, tansya-tansya lang. It's about 3 tablespoons for 10 pieces of mid-joint chicken wings and some white pepper and some salt. We will let this sit for 30 minutes guys para matanggal yung lansa ng manok at then ma-absorb niya rin yung lasa ng ating rice wine. After 30 minutes guys, i-drain natin yung ating chicken. Then we can start cooking. So first step sa ating cooking, i-fry po natin muna yung ating chicken wings para hindi siya madurog. Once na-fry na natin siya on both sides, iset aside lang siya natin. Then, we can start sauteing our garlic and ginger. Igisa din natin guys yung ating chicken with our dried bay leaves and some peppercorns. Then we can add more rice wine para sa kanyang lasang Chinese. Add 1 cup of water guys. Then isimmer natin yung ating chicken wings for 10 minutes. Para maluto siya ng maayos. Of course, more white pepper because I love white pepper. Then we can add our brown sugar and our soya sauce. Then, we can simmer this for 20 more minutes para ma-absorb ng ating chicken wings, ang sauce, and then yung lasa. I added spring onions guys for more color lang. Mga char-char ko lang yan sa pagluto. So, depende na yan sa inyo kung sundin niyo siya. As you can see guys, na-absorb na ng chicken wings ang ating sauce at it's thick enough and cooked enough and ready to serve. Thank you guys for watching! Sana nagustuhan nyo ang aking very simple and easy recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe!